Many people feel awkward riding small folding bikes with 20-inch wheels. The Dahon IOS S9 features bigger 24-inch wheels, and it is an eye-catching bike on the road. It delivers a great riding experience, while it still can be folded compactly and still fit inside my car trunk. Its folded size is 34 inches by 30 inches by 15.5 inches and weighs just 28.6 pounds. It features 9 speeds with Dahon Super Compact Neo's 9 rear derailleur, hydroformed Alloy aluminum frame, biological post pump, and Schwalbe Kojak tires. Let's see some pros and cons. Pros: quite lightweight and compact. The bigger wheel size of 24 inches provides better speed and comfort. Durable and sturdy frame. Disc brakes are responsive. Cons: the brakes need some adjustments out of the box. Fenders are not included. The Dahon IOS S9 is definitely a top-of-the-line folding bike that fits every commuting needs. BikeFolded.com recommends the folding bike.